Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Drake. I just wanted to walk you through your home page and where you can find all of your assignments, your syllabus, the link for our extra help meetings, and everything like that. It can all be found here on this home page. Okay, so when you open our course, these buttons are going to be your navigation. So if you click here, it's my email address or our contact info. You could also click over here on inbox, and you can send either me or Miss Lynch an email or a message and we can get back to you. The syllabus is right here. That's going to be your first assignment, to read through the syllabus and then fill out your parent contact information. This assignments button is where you're going to find your whole to-do list. Everything you need to do will be on this assignments tab. Google Meets, this button will bring you to the extra help. Google Meet, it's going to be every day after school from 2:23 to 2:58. This announcements is going to be where we post announcements, and this Desmos button is going to be where we post videos and tutorials on how to use the online calculator, since you won't have the graphing calculator at home when you're doing your virtual lessons. Okay, when you scroll down a little bit, this is going to be your calendar that you're going to follow. So we have every day of the week. I'm going to post a new one each week, and it's going to tell you what lesson you should be working on depending on what cohort you're in. So the Monday, Tuesday group, this Tuesday, Wednesday, it's saying what you're going to be working on in class, while the Tuesday, Wednesday cohort B students will be at home reading the syllabus, filling out their parent info, and completing the Canvas scavenger hunt. Okay, and then we're going to flip-flop. Cohort B is then going to come in on Thursday, Friday. They're going to do these two lessons in class with me, while cohort A is at home working on these. If you chose the all virtual model, then you're going to follow the cohort B schedule. Okay, this assignments tab is where you're going to find most of your assignments. If for some reason the pictures aren't showing up, let me go back for a second. If the pictures aren't showing up for some reason, you can access the same content by hitting modules. Okay, so I'm going to go to assignments, and this is your entire to-do list. So your first set of to-dos, it looks long, but the first thing you're going to do is a scavenger hunt. So these are just little parts of your scavenger hunt that you're going to do. First, you want to read through the syllabus, complete the scavenger hunt, okay, before we get into our content. So then we'll be starting Unit 1, and we have Lesson 1 and Lesson 2. If you notice the due date, Cohort B is usually a few days behind Cohort A because we see them later in the week. So we have the due date set for Cohort B. If you're in Cohort A, you should still be following the schedule on the home page, but this due date, again, is for Cohort B. Okay, let's go back home. Okay, if you go back home, you'll get back to this page, and you can access any of the other buttons that you need. Content.